Hey, what's up guys? It's Elo here at Elofitness. Have you guys ever thought about some ways to spice up your running? I know running can be boring and monotonous sometimes, but there's definitely some ways you can spice up your running. So I'll show you some tips. Alright, so let's say you hit 0.1 of your mile, 0.25, whatever. How about you just stop and do some shadow walks? Or maybe you can do some high knees. Do that for 60 seconds. Jumpy jack. Just change it up. You guys, so earlier you might have seen my little fanny pack. Now this makes life a little bit easier because you get to bring your water with you. Imagine running and you don't have your water. That's the most annoying thing. Also, you get to put your headphones, your keys, your phone in there. If you have a Bluetooth headphone, you can listen to your music without having any cords. Very convenient. Definitely pick one up. Always find it that maybe you could do a minute jog, 30-second sprint, another 30-second walk. Change it up, make it different. All right guys, let's recap. Not saying that running itself is bad, saying ways to spice up running. Just like some burpees, high interval training, sprints, push-ups, squats. Just change it up. Just want to thank you guys for tuning in. That was the end of the run. Let me know how it is. Comment, subscribe, and like my video. Hope you tune in to next time. But make sure you guys stretch, alright? Alright, this is Eric, and see you guys next time.